Hello students, today let's work out some interesting and exciting problems on trigonometry. Trigonometry is a very interesting chapter, you all know this. We have a plus b is 90 degree. Then prove that sec square a plus sec square b is equal to sec square a multiplied by sec square b. That is, here we have plus and we have to transform it into multiplication. So let's proceed. We will write first the left hand side here. Now what we will do is reciprocal sec square, sec theta reciprocal is cos theta. So here it will be 1 by cos square theta, cos square a. Here cos square b. Taking LCM, cos square a into cos square b. This cos square b plus cos square a. Cos square b, cos square a. Interesting fact is that we have a plus b equal 90 degree. So we can convert either b to a or a to b. So we will convert b into a. That is, we will put, just look here, b is equal to 90 degree minus a. Therefore, cos b will be, here cos, right, and also cos 90 minus a. Cos 90 degree minus a will be equal to sin a according to complementary angle rule. Cos 90 degree minus a is equal to sin a. So we can replace cos b by sin a here. It will be cos square b equal to sin square a. Plus cos square a upon cos square a into cos square b. We will not replace cos b by sin a because we have to prove sec square a, sec square b. So cos square a, cos square b should be kept intact. So cos square a multiplied by cos square b. Sin square a plus cos square a, it's a very interesting identity. We know that sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1, sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 1, cosec square a minus cot square a is equal to 1. These are the important identities. We have already known this. Sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1 upon cos square a into cos square b. Cos square a up into cos square b is equal to, we can write 1 by cos square a into 1 by cos square b. 1 by cos square a into 1 by cos square b. 1 by cos is the reciprocal of sec theta or sec a. Here 1 by cos square a is equal to sec square a multiplied by, or just put into 1 by cos square b is equal to sec square b. Sec square a into sec square b. That is RHS. Here's the proof. We will move to the next sum. Sum number 2. Tan theta plus sin theta is equal to m. Tan theta minus sin theta is equal to n. Prove that m square minus n square is equal to 4 times under root mn. Solution. Guess the way how I will proceed. Here m square minus n square, I can write this and this whole square. So let's start from the right hand side. M square minus n square. M, let's replace the value of m by tan theta plus sin theta. Whole square minus and replace n by tan theta minus sin theta. Whole square. Tan theta plus sin theta whole square minus tan theta plus sin theta whole square minus tan theta minus sin theta whole square. This is just similar to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Guess the identity. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab, 4 times ab. Actually, this identity gives a square plus 2ab plus b square. And here a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square will be cancelled, b square will also be cancelled. Twice ab plus twice ab. Twice ab plus twice ab, 4 times ab or 4ab. So here we will write, in this case we will write 4 multiplied by tan theta multiplied by sin theta. 4 times tan theta multiplied by sin theta. A plus b, a, b. Now look at the right hand side. That is 4 times root over m into n. We have got 4 already. So just we will write 4, and it's very interesting fact is that if you have x, then you can write under root x square, which is equal x, we can write root over x square. In this case, think it as x. We can write it as root over this and this whole square in this rule, according to this rule. So we'll write here as tan theta multiplied by sin theta whole square, according to this rule. Now it will be same, root over tan means tan square theta multiplied sin means sin square theta this tan square theta means tan square theta. Remember another identity, we have sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So tan square theta will be equal to sec square theta minus 1. So we will replace tan square theta by sec square theta minus 1. Sec square theta minus 1 multiplied by sin square theta. 4. Now multiplying sec square theta by sin square theta and this by this. Sec square theta into sin square theta. This into this minus 1 into this, or sin square theta. So here sec square theta is equal to 1 by cos square theta. Then sin square by cos square means tan square theta. See here, sec square theta is the reciprocal of cos square. So we can write cos square theta, and we have into sine square theta. So sine square by cos square means tan square. Sine square sine theta means perpendicular by hypotenuse, and cos theta means base by hypotenuse. So dividing this by this, p square by h square, b square by h square. H square will be cancelled. P square by b square. P square by b square means perpendicular base tan theta, means tan square theta. So we will write this into this is equal to tan square theta minus sine square theta. This will be unchanged. Next, we will factorize this tan square theta minus sine square theta as tan theta plus sine theta multiplied by tan theta minus sine theta. Root over 4 root over tan square a square minus b square. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, that is tan theta plus sine theta. Tan theta plus sine theta into tan theta minus sine theta is equal to 4 times tan theta plus sine theta is equal to m, and tan theta minus sine theta is equal to n. Hence the proof for Mn. This is in the right hand side. Hence our proof m square minus n square. We have started from m square minus n square and we got 4 times root over m into n. Hence the proof, or hence proved. We'll move to the next sum. Prove that one plus cos theta minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta is equal to cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta. 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta is equal to cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta. Let's go to the proof solution. We have left hand side. We will write first the left hand side. Then next step is see here 1 plus cos theta, and here also in the denominator 1 plus cos theta. So we keep in bracket 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. We will rationalize, that is we will multiply numerator and denominator by 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta. One plus cos theta minus, here plus, it will be opposite, minus sin theta, and 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta. Here this and this must be equal. We have multiplied here the numerator and denominator by 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta, same. Numerator will both multiply. So let's multiply. This easy way to multiply this is this minus this and this minus this. So it will be like a minus b into a minus b, that is a minus b whole square. A minus b and a minus b multiplication, it will be a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square means 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta whole square. Here a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, a square minus b square. Let's simplify. 1 plus cos theta minus, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square. A minus b whole square means a square minus 2a. A means this part a. 2ab. B means sin theta. Plus b square means sin square theta. Upon this into 1 plus cos theta whole square, this will be 1 a plus b whole square. It will be a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Is equal to 1 plus cos square theta. Just 1 plus cos square theta. If we simplify this, 1 plus 1 plus 2 cos theta plus just 1 a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square minus this 2 into 1 plus cos theta into sin theta plus sin square theta, sin square theta upon this is sin square theta, this is sin square theta. Upon 1 plus 1 minus sin square theta. I am writing here very close. 1 minus sin square theta plus cos square theta, this term, plus 2 cos theta is equal to 1 plus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta minus 2 into 1 plus cos theta into sin theta plus sin square theta whole divided by 1 plus sin square theta means cos square theta. 1 minus sin square theta means cos square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 times cos theta is equal to look here, sin square theta plus cos square theta, this term and this term, sin square theta plus cos theta 1 and we have 1, so we can write 1 plus 1. Look, this is 1 and cos square theta plus sin square theta is another 1 plus 2 cos theta minus 2 times 1 plus cos theta into sin theta upon cos square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 2 cos square theta plus 2 cos theta is equal to 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 cos theta. Here 1 plus 1 means 2. We will take common 2. So 2 common 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus 1 2. 2 1 is 2. 2 cos theta. Minus 2 times 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Upon, let's take common 2 cos theta. 2 cos theta common. It will be cos theta plus 1 is equal to, we will take again common 2 times 1 plus cos theta from here and here. 2 1 plus cos theta common. If we take this as common, then it will be 1. This part common, here it will be 1 minus this has been taken common, so it will remain. Sin theta will be here. Sin theta upon 2 cos theta plus 1. Interesting fact is that we will cancel 2 and 2. 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. So we are very close to our proof. Very close to our proof. We have 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. We have very close to our proof. Many times this sum has been given to prove this. But here we have to prove right hand side we have cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta. So we will move another 2 or 3 steps more. To get 1 plus sin theta in the denominator, we will multiply here both numerator and denominator by 1 minus 1 plus sin theta. This cos theta we have here, we will multiply by 1 plus sin theta. Just this proof has should be kept in mind, that 1 plus sin theta. So we will multiply numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta. This is very easy. A plus b into a minus b. That's equal to a square minus b square. 1 square minus sin square theta upon cos theta 1 plus sin theta. Is equal to 1 minus sin square theta means cos square theta. Cos theta into upon cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. Cos theta will be 1 cos theta will be cancelled. Cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta. Hence the proof. Hence the proof. So if you have any problem in any step regarding calculation or any step, you must write to the complaint, to the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.